Hey Daisies, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video I shared a living room project that I was working on, and we're calling it the She Cave because it is going to be like her sanctuary. So this is the before picture. It was a lot of dark wood. The walls were orange. We did paint the walls gray. This is agreeable gray, and we chose the flooring, which is from Floor & Decor. This is the color that she wanted to go with. It has more of a gray undertone, and we painted those wood bookshelves and the fireplace area white. We did tear out the fireplace covering that was there, and we replaced it with this pretty tile, and at the bottom we put marble flooring in front of the fireplace to modernize it. You will see we added this beautiful rug. It's a beautiful rug with shades of gray, white, green. It may have a speck of gold in it, but the mint green is the color that we're going with, so she really wanted a rug that had some color in it. The curtain panels that I'm hanging up are from HPD. These are velvet curtains, I believe in the color ivory. They are linked below because I also have these curtains, so they're always linked below. But they're so beautiful. I love the way they hang. They're the perfect neutral color. I'm gonna hang them. We have 4 of them. We're not covering the windows. We're hanging them in between the windows just to give the illusion of a larger long window. And then I'm steam ironing them so that they aren't wrinkled, which takes a little time, but you don't want wrinkled curtains hanging up in your house. So I have this steamer, which is from Amazon. I've had it for a while. It's the one that I use to do my linens on my for my events. So I'm going to use that to go ahead on and do that. And the sofa that you're looking at, we actually chose this sofa. It's not a very large space, so we didn't want to get a full L-shaped sofa, sectional or anything that was going to take up a lot of space. Plus we wanted to also make it more of a conversation area as well, which is why we added the 2 chairs on the side of the wall, and those are neutral as well. I did persuade her to go with neutral furniture because if you ever change your color scheme, like replacing a rug is easy to do, you know, replacing the elements that's on the shelf that you're using, that's easy. But your larger items sometimes can be very costly, so if you ever want to switch it up, you can always go with and change your pillows and accents, but your larger furniture is neutral, so it'll go with any color that you choose. So next I'm going to add the accent pillows. I love pillows. I love a sofa that's full of pillows and large size. Nothing less than a 22 by 22 should be on the sofa, okay? I love 22 by 22 and 24 by 24 pillows. So the larger gray and silver and gold pillows are from Z Gallery. I love their neutral metallic pillows, and they're large in size. And then we did add the pop of mint green, well, sage green pillows, just to give it a pop of color and to blend in with her rug and all of the accents.
Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. Now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part.
So I'm adding this coffee table book to the table. We also going to have a vase and some florals that need to be added inside of here. We're going to figure out what to do with the wall. The wall is going to be an added addition or a future wall or some type of large scale wall art. Also, those 2 candle holders at the bottom on the left are going to be replaced with a art sculpture. Right now we're just leaving those there to fill the space, but I do love the shelf decor that was actually selected. And alongside the couch in the corner is this beautiful concrete planter. I love the texture of it and it's so heavy. I hope you all like the vibe of the place so far. It's looking really good. Let's turn it this way. Yeah. It's looking really, really, really good. I still have some more things to do to it. This is good. I'm gonna raise the plant. I'll show you that in a minute. And I'm gonna add a few more coffee table books over here. This is gonna be going. We're not using these 2 pieces, but she had bought them, so in the meantime they're there. But we're replacing that with something more sculpted. Oh, and yeah, I'm gonna get something in front of the fireplace. And then we still have to do this wall over here. Let me show you guys. We still have to finish off this wall right here. So once we do this wall, then I don't know if we're gonna do trim work or get some artwork, but it's coming together and I'm loving it. So stay tuned, it'll be one last part to the completion of this space. I'm absolutely loving the way that it looks thus far, just with what we've already done from where we started. I love the colors, the soft sage green and the white is just very light and airy, and it's giving very feminine, and that's what she wanted. So stay tuned, I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye, daisies.